Hello everyone, my name is Sanskrit Thakur. I'm a student of TIBMS and today I'm going to talk about the topic supplies from unregistered supplier under GST and its consequences. So let's start by understanding what exactly is an unregistered supplier. It's a person who is not registered under GST, and when such a person sells goods or services to a GST registered one, the entire supply from an unregistered supply occurs. And it has some consequences. Firstly, it triggers the reverse charge mechanism under section 9(4) of the CGST Act. So reverse charge mechanism is basically where the buyer has to pay GST. Usually it is the seller paying the GST. Second, mandatory documentation. The buyer, which is the recipient, they have to issue a self-invoice for the purchase. Additionally, they also have to issue a payment voucher at the time of payments. So there's a lot of compliance burden on the recipient now. Third, cash flow impact. So under reverse charge mechanism, GST has to be paid in cash, and one cannot claim ITC before paying the amount. And ITC can only be claimed if that person is eligible. So all of this results in temporary blockage of working capital. Fourth, the risk of non-compliance. If GST isn't paid, you attract penalties, and also if you fail to issue the required documents, it may also lead to penalties. So all of this results in an increased risk of GST scrutiny or audit. To conclude, purchases from unregistered suppliers trigger consequences which are only notified in cases under section 9(4) by the government. So we understood that the consequences are the recipient who is registered has to handle tax payment documentation and reporting. Thank you for being such good listeners, and that's an end to my presentation. Thank you.